I live in the US of A. Heard of it before, but I'm a Canadian citizen. And so the way that I get around that, because in Canada, of course, we have universal health care in the States. I don't think I need to tell you, they don't. And the way that I get around that is that I take out extended travel insurance packages. Yeah, so like I recently paid, I need to take my phone out because it's really driving me insane. I take out extended travel insurance packages. Like I recently paid 300 Canadian dollars that will insure me, God forbid, if something happens to me, insure me for up to $1 million deductible up to 6 months that will be billed back to the Canadian healthcare system. Like I could get chemo several times for dietary purposes. And these last 10 pounds, ladies, am I right? The ladies get it. The ladies get it. Ladies. Oh my God. But so, cool. Canadians have universal health care. Drool. Americans don't. Here's why I am strongly in favor of Americans not getting universal health care. Come with me on this because it's really going to pay off. Okay, so it's because my favorite genre of porn is called gay for pay. All right? I mean, honest to goodness straight guys who are too dumb and or lazy to start an OnlyFans, who get down on their luck financially, right? Due to reasons I always assume are because they're on the brink of medical bankruptcy. All right? So just picture like the star athlete from your high school. He's like in his mid-20s now, but still in very good shape, very well preserved. And he's like, listen, my mom got addicted to opioids. You know, her kidneys are failing. If we don't put down $5,000 right now, they're going to cut off her dialysis. I need money. I need cash now. And that is when some Sean Cody-esque figure, if you know, you know, and if you don't, you best find out, hears his siren song and says, need a few bucks, eh? Well, you know, if you were to allow me to videotape you being filleted by another gentleman, I would pay you something to the tune of $1,000. And the straight guy's like, that's it? That's all I need to do? Just get blown by another guy? That's it? Okay, fine. He's like, well, you know, if you and this other gentleman were to engage in penetrative intercourse, I would bump up the price to $2,000. And the straight guy's like, okay, well, I already drove all the fucking way down to San Diego, which is where all of this happens, by the way. And also, equidistantly, it would be like going to Oakville, right? Right? Not a killer, but it's your day, you know, depending on traffic. So he's like, fuck, I'm already down here, fine, let's do it. Let's fucking do this, The poor guy's like, well, you know, and by this point, he's twirling a mustache. He's like, if you and this other gentleman were to engage in a reciprocal analingus, I would throw in a Wayfair gift card, which is not a bad deal. So he does it. He's not happy about it, but he still gets hard, so no one's being hurt. But it is because he is on the brink of medical bankruptcy that he is so destitute that he needs to resort to getting a dick in his mouth, and I think that's so hot. Yeah, you know, I'm really into that vibe. So if Americans were to get universal health care, it would endanger the supply chain of my kink. Think of my kink. No, Americans really need to figure that the fuck out, really. I don't know how they are in their seats and not marching the streets with fucking pitchforks and flaming torches and eating the rich until they get universal health care, but as we've just established, it's not our problem, so.